Hey guys, are you ready to take your woodworking projects to the next level? Whether you're smoothing rough surfaces, shaping edges, or removing old finishes, a belt sander is a game changer for your toolkit. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best belt sanders you can buy today. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Metabo HPT Belt Sander. The Metabo HPT excels in terms of the dust situation for 2 reasons. First, its dust collection is far better than the competition. Dust collection is always tricky with belt sanders due to the nature of how they work. They essentially create dust through their very operation. The HPT not only has one of the most secure, effective dust collection bags we've found, but it tends to port to a vacuum better than most. On top of that, its clear front cover improves visibility by allowing you to better see what's being stripped away, i.e., the dust, which makes it easier to control the outcome of your finish. It also has a powerful motor, great speed variability, and outstanding durability. Its only major flaw involves ergonomics. The cord can get in the way of the rear handle, and the front handle is a little too flush against the body and can't be adjusted. It's also a few ounces heavier than some people might like, but again, some may prefer that extra heft. But for high performance plus reliable dust collection, it can't be beat. At number 4, we have the Makita 9403 Belt Sander. The Makita 9403 is an absolute beast of a belt sander. In terms of performance, it's a powerhouse, zipping along at a rate of 1,640 feet per minute, about 25% faster than the next fastest on our list via its high-power 11-amp motor, all the while producing surprisingly little sound. Its vast 4x24-inch belt sands a wider area than most. The dust collection bag is better than average, and it can be adapted for vacuum use, and it's about as durable as they come. In other words, this is a professional-grade tool that delivers professional levels of performance and durability and is capable of not only tackling any sanding job, but will hold up through plenty of hard work. Its biggest downside is its lack of speed variation. It's all or nothing. It's also not the most ergonomic sander out there and could probably benefit from an adjustable handle. And depending on how you feel about weight, it's a pretty heavy sander, though that may be a good thing for applying steady pressure. In any case, this is a workhorse sander that can tackle the toughest jobs. Our number 3 pick is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Belt Sander. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Belt Sander took our best cordless slot because it delivers the power of a corded sander minus the cord. Unlike most cordless models, its performance doesn't diminish against more difficult surfaces, and it produces the sanding power and torque equivalent of an 8-amp corded sander, which is strong enough to use on difficult professional-grade jobs in addition to home renovations. 5 speed settings offer decent variability, and it consistently delivers an even finish. An adjustable handle helps with ergonomics, and while it's somewhat heavier than many other sanders, many users reported they actually prefer that extra heft to ensure steady pressure. The included dust collection bag does a decent job, and the integrated universal vacuum adapter is a nice touch. One thing to keep in mind is that the standard HO 6.0 battery tends to get eaten up pretty fast, which is a common issue across most cordless belt sanders. To ease this situation, we recommend getting Milwaukee's new HD 12.0 battery pack, which doubles the runtime and works with all tools in the brand's M18 family. Coming in at number 2 is the Craftsman CMEW 213 Electric Belt Sander. This sander from Craftsman delivers surprisingly good performance considering its rock-bottom price. While it only has a single-speed option, it's powerful enough for moderate to tough sanding jobs and is as easy to use as can be. The sanding belt is expansive, allowing you to work with a wide area. Its handle can be adjusted to suit your preferred ergonomics, and it's very lightweight. A quick release makes belt changes a snap, though a few buyers do report that it has a tendency to tear sandpaper, especially when working on rougher surfaces. The fact that it's corded rather than cordless may be a plus or minus depending on your needs, but it does mean that it will operate for long periods without issue. While it does come with a dust collection bag attached, its actual dust collection ability has been reported to be inconsistent, so it may be worth connecting it to a vacuum via adapter if excessive dust is an issue for you. It's also not the most durable feeling sander around, but considering its generally reliable performance, it's hard to beat that price tag of less than $80. Finally, taking the top spot is the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Belt Sandy. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR offers exactly what the vast majority of buyers are looking for in a power tool of this kind. With its solid performance at a reasonable price, it's a great pick for DIYers or even professional woodworkers who need a reliable belt sander. A variable speed trigger puts total control in your hands, while a locking speed selection dial with 25 increments makes it easy to set the precise speed you need for your project. A wide sanding belt area sands a larger surface than most comparable sanders, and a quick release makes it fast and easy to change out sandpaper without holding up your job. Dual handles allow for two-handed operation, though it's compact and lightweight enough to use with one hand if that's what you prefer. Right-handed users may find that it kicks an overabundance of dust their way, as the dust discharge is on the left side, so they'll want to attach the optional bag, a DeWalt dust extractor, or vacuum hose. Luckily, with any of these additions, it does a great job of collecting dust. Its biggest issue is the battery life. While it uses the brand's bigger 20-volt batteries, it still drains fast on higher speed settings. Beyond that, however, most buyers will find that it more than meets their needs. So, there you have it, our top 5 best belt sanders. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more top tools reviews. Thanks for watching.